Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to adjust inventory quantity in QuickBooks. Whether you're correcting stock levels after a physical count or accounting for damaged goods, this process ensures your inventory records stay accurate and up to date. Let's walk through it step by step. First, navigate to the left menu in your QuickBooks dashboard and click on the plus new button. This button is your gateway to creating new transactions and entries across the platform. When you click it, a menu will appear with various transaction types you can create. From that menu, look for and click on Inventory QT Adjustment. This option is specifically designed for modifying stock levels without creating a sales or purchase transaction, making it perfect for corrections and adjustments. Next, you'll need to specify when this adjustment should be recorded. Type the adjustment date in the date field. Setting the correct date is important because it ensures your inventory reports reflect changes at the right point in time, which is crucial for accurate financial tracking. Now select the appropriate account in the Inventory Adjustment Account dropdown. This tells QuickBooks where to record the financial impact of your inventory change. Many businesses use an account like inventory shrinkage or cost of goods sold depending on the reason for the adjustment. With your date and account set, click in the product field and select the item you want to adjust from the drop-down list. QuickBooks will display your current quantity on hand, giving you a reference point for your adjustment. Here's where you make the actual change. Type the new quantity in the new quantity field, or if you prefer, enter the quantity change in the quantity change field. For example, if you have 50 units but only counted 47, you can either type 47 inches in new quantity or -3 inches in quantity change. If you want to keep a record of why you made this adjustment, type details in the memo field. This is optional but highly recommended for future reference, especially during audits or when reviewing past changes. Finally, click Save and Close to complete the adjustment. Your inventory records are now updated, and QuickBooks will automatically adjust your accounting to reflect the change. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.